Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade slime. First, let's gather our essential ingredients for a classic, stretchy creation. You'll need white school glue, liquid starch, and water. Begin by measuring 1/2 cup of glue and 1/4 cup of water into a bowl. Stir these two ingredients together thoroughly until they are completely combined and smooth. Then, slowly add 1/4 cup of liquid starch while continuously mixing. This is where the magic starts to happen. As you continue to stir, you'll notice the mixture starting to thicken and pull away from the sides of your bowl. It will become quite sticky at this stage, which is perfectly normal. Once it's mostly formed, remove the slime from the bowl and begin to knead it with your hands. This hands-on process is crucial. Knead for about 5 to 10 minutes. This helps activate the ingredients and achieve that perfect, stretchy texture you're looking for. Now for the fun part, customizing your slime. This is where you can truly make it your own. Add a few drops of food coloring to create vibrant hues, or sprinkle in some glitter, beads, or small sequins for extra sparkle and visual appeal. For a delightful sensory experience, incorporate a few drops of your favorite essential oils for a pleasant scent. You can even experiment with textures, like adding shaving cream for a fluffy, cloud-like slime. To keep your homemade slime fresh and playable for longer, always store it in an airtight container when not in use. This prevents it from drying out. Remember to wash your hands thoroughly both before and after playing with slime to maintain hygiene. If young children are playing, ensure they are supervised to guarantee their safety. Finally, if your slime ever becomes moldy, discolored, or develops an unpleasant odor, it's best to discard it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.